Again, Toastmasters. You may not want to listen to me, but I am obliged to talk to you. When the term started in January, the new set of officers had a mammoth task in front of them. They had to carry forward the legacy of the previous officers and at the same time leave their imprint on the orator's members' psyche. Now, how to do that? Whether we did finally achieve our objective, whether we did leave an imprint on all of you, it is for you to judge. I am here today to give you an account of the accomplishments and failures that we had during our term. 61. 61 speeches. Yes, the first time I got the number from Ananda, even I couldn't believe my eyes. 61 speeches. That's the astounding number of speeches that we had this term. In fact, the response from our members was so great that we thought of including 3 speeches per session, and to accommodate that, we had to increase our session duration by 15 minutes. So now the session starts at 2:30 and ends at 3:45. Not only this, the slots for the speeches are booked at least 1 month in advance. People are literally fighting for slots for speeches here. And that is a credible job done by our VP Education, Ananda, here. This has also given an opportunity to orators members to strive towards their goal of completing their competent communication faster. Right now we have close to 6 speakers who are at the brink of completing their CCs, and we wish all the best to them. In this term, Mrinal completed his CC, and Rupa and Anish completed their competent leadership certificate. We also had our members. Sorry, I forgot about Vishal. Vishal actually also completed her CC. We also had our club members, Anushya, Srihari, Ishwar, Ananda, delivering speeches in outside clubs. So this increased our visibility to the other clubs, and yes, orators had arrived. So a big round of applause for all the members who delivered the speeches outside. We added 11 new members to the orators family. We welcome all of them, and we are waiting to listen to their amazing speeches. We were awarded with Smedley and Talk Up Toastmasters Award for membership. We participated in 1+1 campaign and received certificate for the same. We played host to a number of exciting events this term, starting with the 100th session and continuing on with Valentine's Day and Women's Day celebrations. We also organized the club level and the area level international and table topics speech contest successfully. We had a large number of people participating in the club level contest. We also held joint sessions with other Toastmasters clubs. We had a joint session with Orators Honeywell Toastmasters Club, and we had a general evaluator from Thomson and Reuters over to our club, which was an excellent approach, I would say, to conduct joint sessions with other clubs. We do learn a lot in that. Now, coming to the changes which were specific to the Toastmasters session, apart from increasing the duration, we prepared a role taker's guide which was sent to each and every role taker prior to the session, so that they know specifically what they have to do in the session and how much time they have to do it in. We had already increased the time to 1 hour 15 minutes, and we did not want to cross that limit any further. We worked on making the emails more attractive and have complete information in them. We included the table topics, the prepared speech topics in the speech, which gave the audience just a glimpse of what they could expect in the coming session. We tried to make the table topic session more innovative so that people are exposed to more and more ways of impromptu speaking. Thanks to all the Toastmasters who put in their effort for that. We also started individual reminder emails to the speakers. who received that email 1 week before they are supposed to deliver their speeches. We ensured that all new members have mentors. Now, none of it would have been possible without the excellent management, supervision and foresight by our Vice President Education Ananda and our President Ishwar. Yes. We also started what we call as the Officers Training Program. No use looking for it on the Oracle University website, you won't find any such course listed there. So we conducted the elections 1 month early, and the new set of officers were made to work in conjunction with the existing officers so that they understand their roles and responsibilities better and the transition is perfectly smooth. We also published newsletters per each month. We also started something called as the tip from Toastmasters in between, but due to the lukewarm response from the members, we discontinued it. In the end, I would just like to thank all the existing officers and commend them for their excellent dedication they have put through for the Orators Toastmasters. I would also take this opportunity to thank you, all our members, for your continued support and guidance. And signing off as your secretary.